Hello and welcome. This is a guide to STEM careers and lifelong learning opportunities by Erica Anderson. STEM careers and learning opportunities are necessary for the advancement of society and the economy. There are innovations and technology advancements that are driven by STEM. They help tackle global problems and advancing society along with promoting diversity and inclusion. Here are a list of just a few jobs I believe are essential to the world in regards to STEM. But in order to decide where you want to go in the realm of STEM, you should ask yourself a few questions. Some questions to help you get started are, what is something in the STEM world that interests you? What jobs are in high demand within the next few years? And will there be job opportunities for you when you leave college? Some answers you may be looking for or thinking about yourself are anything in science, technology, math, or engineering. There are jobs such as statistician, environmental engineer, and computer system analyst. These jobs are growing rapidly and they can open up over 20,000 new jobs. But in the end, all that matters is that it's something that interests you and keeps you excited to learn more about. For me, it was marine science, and then teaching was the job I decided to go for because I enjoyed helping people and sharing my passion with them. So, some careers to help you get started in the realm of science are cartographer. They collect and measure different geographical information in order to create and update maps. They create maps or charts for regional planning and education. The level of education required is a bachelor's degree. The projected growth is about 3%. Other related job titles are photogrammetist. The average salary is about $68,000 a year. And some extra benefits are the employees are allowed to travel around to collect data and information. Another job in the realm of science is high school science teacher, or any teacher within the realm of science. They teach academic lessons and various skills that students will need to attend college and to enter the job market. They work to educate future generations about science and familiarize the world with it. Level of education required is a bachelor's degree. Projected growth is about 5%. Related job titles are educator, and salary starts at about $61,000 a year depending on the state you're in. Some other benefits are you work to prepare the future generation and have one of the most important and fulfilling jobs around. Lastly, a job in science again is a psychologist. They study cognitive, emotional, and social processes and behaviors of individuals. They observe, interpret, and record how individuals relate to one another and to their environments. Level of education required is a master's or doctorate. The projected growth is about 6%, and related job titles are social worker and physician. Salary is about $80,000 a year. Some other benefits of this job are emotional and intellectual fulfillment along with flexible hours to fit your schedule. Entering into the careers of technology, starting with a computer systems analyst. They study an organization's current computer systems and design ways to improve the efficiency. They improve how systems run and make them more efficient for the job at hand. Level of education required is a bachelor's degree. The projected growth is about 9%. Other related job titles are technology analyst, and the salary starts at about $90,000 a year. Some job firms will hire people who have degrees in liberal arts as well as computer science. Another career in the realm of technology is software developer. Design computer applications or programs. Identify problems with applications or programs and report defects. The required level of education is a bachelor's degree. The projected growth is rather high at 25%. Other related job titles are quality assurance analyst, and the salary goes up to about $100,000 a year. They often work in offices or on teams with other software developers or quality assurance analysts and testers. Another career in the realm of technology is cybersecurity analyst. They plan and carry out security measures to protect an organization's computer networks and systems. They work for computer companies, consulting firms, or businesses along with financial companies. The level of education required is a bachelor's degree, and the projected growth is about 35%. The related job titles could be information analyst, and the salary goes along with it at about $100,000 a year. It is a competitive job, but it is extremely intellectually challenging with a variety of job roles within it, so a lot of room for growth. Careers within the realm of engineering. 1. An environmental engineer. Uses the principles of engineering, soil science, biology, and chemistry to develop solutions to environmental problems. They work in a variety of settings because of the nature of the tasks they do. The level of education required is a bachelor's degree, with a projected growth of 4%. Related job titles are sustainability engineer and salary of about $95,000 a year. They help make a positive impact in our world, and because of this, they will always be in need, so the job is secure. Another job in the realm of engineering is a civil engineer. They design, build, and supervise infrastructure projects and systems. It is common for them to split their time between work in an office and working outdoors at construction sites so that they can monitor operations or solve problems on site. A level of education required is a bachelor's degree. The projected growth is about 7%. Related job titles are structural engineer or geotechnical engineer, and the salary is about $88,000 a year. Within this field, there is job security and many competitive salaries. And another career in the realm of engineering is nuclear engineer. They research and develop projects or address problems concerning the release, control, and use of nuclear energy and nuclear waste disposal. They may work in the field or in an office. The required level of education is a bachelor's degree, with a projected growth of negative 11%, unfortunately. The related job titles are nuclear scientists and health physicists. The salary starts at about $100,000 a year. It is a very intellectually challenging career, but the lack of use for nuclear engineer jobs are far and few between, unfortunately. But with it being a very useful renewable energy source, with more people in the realm of nuclear engineering, there can be found a way to use it safely and to harness the energy produced more safely. And lastly, the careers within mathematics, starting with an actuary. They use mathematics, statistics, and financial theory to analyze the economic costs of risk and uncertainty. They work for insurance companies. Although most work full-time in an office setting, some actuaries who work as consultants will travel to meet their clients. A level of education required is bachelor's degree. The projected growth is 21%. Related job titles are risk analyst and underwriter, and salary starts at about $100,000. It is a very high demand job with a lot of advancement opportunities within it. Another career in the realm of mathematics is a statistician. They analyze data and apply computational techniques to solve problems. The top employers of mathematicians and statisticians are the federal government and scientific research, along with some development companies. The level of education required is a master's degree, and the projected growth is about 31%. Related job titles are data analysis and a salary of about $96,000 a year. It is a high-demand job with competitive salary and intellectually challenging parts to it. And lastly, the third career in mathematics is a cryptographer, a professional who specializes in design and analyzing and implementing cryptographic algorithms and protocols to protect sensitive information. They develop cryptographic algorithms. The level of education required is a bachelor's degree. The projected growth is about 33%. A related job title is a security engineer, with a salary of about $100,000. A high-demand job with competitive salaries. In conclusion, STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields offer a vast array of lucrative employment opportunities for individuals who have the necessary skills and knowledge. Students should be made aware of these possibilities and benefits of STEM careers from an early age. And this starts with educators, parents, and anybody else within the child's life. This can include providing access to STEM-related resources and mentorship programs, as well as creating opportunities for students to engage in hands-on learning experiences and to interact with professionals working within the STEM fields. By encouraging students to pursue STEM careers, we can help ensure that our future workforce is equipped with the skills and knowledge necessary to meet the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century. Here are my resources, and I hope you enjoyed your guide to STEM careers and lifelong learning opportunities.